Hello, dear students. So, on my last lecture, we discussed about the drawing shapes like rectangle, oval, or other shapes, and how and changing the properties of those shapes, and also grouping and ungrouping them. Today, we'll talk about a new topic called document templates. As you know, templates, you have seen templates in mobile phone. Like if somebody calls you and you are not able to, reply uh, your call, then what you do? You simply forward a text, and you see when there is a call, then there are predefined text. So we can say that these are message templates. These are message which are already saved on your mobile phone, and you don't have to type them. You simply can just select the message which is suitable for you, and you just send it, right? So similarly, document templates are these are the documents, you can say, are the Word documents which are already saved uh, in your system, or you can use them for your tasks. Like suppose, for example, if every day you send a fax to a company or to your colleague or to someone, so you have to mention the date, you have to put a logo of your company, you have to write the content and the address, whatever it is. So if you make the predefined format for your fax, or say for a letter that you send every day or quite often, so that will be called a template. Like instead of typing the things that are repeated every day, you can simply make it as a template and send it to the recipients, or to the people. So you can assume, you can understand templates as the model documents. Model documents means that these are the formats, these are the things that are already there, or you can make them as per your own need, and you can use them for your tasks. So how to use a template to create a document? So it is quite simple. For doing that, you will go to the file option, and there's an option called template document. There will be option as called new, and you will find an option there called templates and documents. So these are the templates and documents which are already saved there. You can click on this. So there are three categories: my templates, presentation backgrounds, and presentation. So in this, there will be not so many templates over here, but whichever template is there, if you want to use it, so you will see, just click on the template, and when you click on the template, you can see a preview. These are presentation templates, and you can simply click whichever you want on a template, and you can click on open option, right? So this is a presentation template that you want to use on your document. So you can just edit on it and you can save it. So these are the templates which you can say it is called to use a template to create a document. So we can use a template to create a document, right? Then you can go to, suppose if there is, if you insert a template over there, right? And if you click on a template, so this is a template, and this is how it looks. And if you click on this option, so we can go for the document properties. So this is document properties button, and we can see the document properties from button, let what type of thing it is, what things have been described in for this particular template. And if you want to go to edit options, so we can go to edit option, or directly we can click on open option, then we can edit from there. So from here we can enter the content on this template. This is, so what is this? This is to use a template to create a document. It means that there are already templates on it, not very much of the kind that we use. There are templates already there, but we want to use them in our document. Okay. So Next, now creating a template from a document. Now, if we already have a document, like for example, suppose if we already have a Word document over here, uh, I don't know whether I have saved any Word document over here. Suppose this is untitled 0. Let me see what is it. Now, suppose if you have a document created there, like suppose for example, this is a document for example, and I want to use this document as the as the template. So this is a document which I already had, and I want to make it as a template. So that this is quite simple thing. Then you open the document, go to file option, and click on templates option, and click on save option. Now this template, that this document which I have already created, can be saved as a template, right? And later on we can save it, we can use it as our template. Okay, let me give you another example. Now, suppose what I quite often have to do is I have to, create a question paper. So to create a question paper, I need to use some of the headers. Some of the header means that there are things that I have to type every day or in every question paper. For example, I have to type journal VC Joshi APS Pythagoras, right? APS Pythagoras. Right now I'm holding a mic from my one hand, and then I'm typing like you type in computer lab or in anywhere, with one hand and one finger. So suppose this is the thing that I have to type in every question paper. I have to have the subject on a question paper, so I can put a subject of examination. And then also I have to put, after putting the subject, I can put maximum marks, right? Then I have to insert the class, okay, class, and then I have to use the session, okay. And then there are also something called uh, general instructions, right? General instructions. So I'm writing it as general instructions. So these general instructions are to be in every question paper, right? So I have set a template like this, and I also want to insert a footer as here, and I can insert the page numbers. For example, I'm inserting 1 2 3 4 like this, okay. So this is how I can insert it. Sorry, page number not like this, page 2 of 2, page 1 of 1. uh, Numbering and bullets I can use, or sorry. So to insert page number footer, I have already inserted by default. Let's see no, why the header and footer toolbar is not coming. Let me enable a header and footer toolbar if it is there. Bullets and numbering, framework, formatting, frame insert, overlay picture, standard viewing mode. Let's see, right now it is not appearing here, the header and footer toolbar. So what we'll do is, now suppose I'm writing it as say examination department. I'm keeping it as examination department as the footer. So now this is my document, and these things, for example, I have to repeat every in every question paper. So now what I will do is I will save this document the as the template. So go to template option and go to save option, and in the folder called my template, I am saving it as, say, question paper format. Question paper format. Okay, I'm saving it as question paper format. Now this has been saved as question paper format, and I'm closing it right now, and I'm closing this. Now suppose I have to make a question paper. So what I will do, I will click on, I will open the writer option, WRITER. I will open the writer option, and then I will go to the, suppose I want to make a question paper, so I will go to the file option as you already know, and I will go to new and templates and documents, and I will click on the, I will go to the my template option, and there is a template called question paper format. Click on that template and click on open option. See, now the my templates which I've created already opened. Now I will simply write the subjects, for example IT, maximum marks 40. See, I have made something, and I am writing class 10th session 2020-21 like this, and I can type general instructions if there are any new, or I can put a few instructions over there. So this is the template which I've created, and every time there is an exam or I have to make a question paper, I will use this template for creating the document. So this was second part, creating a template from a document. So either you can create a document first and then you can save it as the template. Third task, creating a template using a wizard. So how will we do this? Creating a template using a wizard. So we'll go to the file option and we'll go to the wizard option. Now you should know what you are creating. I mean, I mean, if you are sending a letter or you are sending a fax, or it is an agenda for a meeting, or if it is a presentation or a web page. So what will you do? Suppose I want to type a fax, or for example I want to use a template for agenda. So click on the file option, then let me take you one more time. Click on the file option, then wizard option, then click on the particular wizard that you want to use. Now, steps based design is blue or classic, or whichever type of design, elegant or green, whatever type of design you want. Include from recording minutes. These are the things that you should know about the meetings or something. So recording minutes is like discussion on the, suppose if there is a meeting and there are discussion on a topic, so whatever you note down uh, professionally, officially, these are called recording minutes. Then we can give general information on it. Say, for example, 30th of July, we can give time, say 9 a.m. Few things we can insert from here only, and some things we can also insert. Name, location we can insert, heading to include, type of meeting, please read, notes, please bring. Okay, fine. So names we can type here, meeting called by, attendees, who are the moderators, who are the minute keepers, the one who will keep the recorders. So we can include more persons here, chairperson, suppose, who is uh, preside, presiding the meeting. Agenda items. Okay, we can put agenda items here only. Suppose we are going to talk about academics. Okay, who will be responsible for it and for how much duration somebody will speak. Say, for example, responsible maybe vice principal, and the person will speak for 30 minutes, right? We can insert here only. Then let's talk about the administration. So for administration, Adam officer will speak and say for 20 minutes. We can include more items on it. And name and location, we can, template name is not required, or we can give a template name for it right now. Create an agenda from this template and click on the finish option. The file already existed. Maybe there is already a file of agenda, so I can give it as template, my agenda template 1. You can save it and you can finish it. So we have created a template using the agenda. So uh, I have already mentioned the name and date and time. Location we can insert. type of meeting, we can just erase it, and we can type the type of meeting called by agendas, and please bring writing materials. We can put it writing materials. So similarly, we can insert those things, and then we can save this, and then we can send it to the to different people. So this is how we create a template using a wizard. So now thing is, what we have done till so far is we have either used some document for creating our documents or for our daily work, or we have used a document for future use. Like for future use means that we are creating a template for we are creating a document, and then we are using those documents for our future uses. Like I have shown you that how I have created the common document for exam, for question paper, and every time I need to make a question paper, I will use that document. And third, we have used that how to use wizard to create a template. There are already predefined templates on this wizard option, like for letter, for facts, for agendas, for presentation. So we can use those wizards for creating our contents or documents. Address data source is about the places from where we'll pick the address. This is called an address book, which we'll learn later on when we'll learn more about mail merge. Uh, if you have created a template, suppose if you have created a template, so if you want to erase it, so you can go to the wizard option, or simply you can go to the new option and go to template and wizard option. Okay. Uh, So these are the templates which we have created, right? Which we have created. These are from there, and we can click on an organize option. My templates is there, and this is my template. Okay, my design templates, and you can right click on it, and you can click on delete option. So we can delete the templates which we have created, but we cannot create delete the templates which are already there in the gallery of OpenOffice. So this is how we work with templates. Uh, Next week we will explore few more things about templates. That is all for today. Thank you so much.